That's the Office of the State Prosecutor, right? That's the Office of the State Prosecutor. Social media. Social media for social change. Social media for social change. Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. I started this in 2006. It's called Get Shorty, the Get Shorty program. We're talking about the murder and the violence in Baltimore City, Chicago, New York, and Philadelphia. N62528. I'm a whistleblower on the courts and the criminality in the courts. That's all it was, and that's all it is. In 2006, I came up with this program, Get Shorty. All right. And as the Get Shorty program was about ending the war on drugs that addressed the violence. Governor O'Malley had stop and frisk and zero tolerance going on. He had the gun task force. In October 2010, the gun task force came to my house. They put guns to my head. They threatened me. Greg Bernstein knew about it, the state prosecutor, and Scott Shellenberger knew about it. I filed a complaint with the Internal Affairs Division, and nobody never did nothing. In 2008, President Obama asked for an investigation. He was Senator Obama. Chief Justice Roberts of the Supreme Court, too, because like I said, I was making a movie. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to make it real simple for you. That's a bomb threat. You charged me with a bomb threat. That's Marilyn Mosby. All right. 2021. That's President Biden. That's Chief Judge Mary Barbera. Received October 2020. Maryland Judiciary. That's Delegate Sheila Roof. Delegate Sheila Roof going to testify on my behalf. She was an advocate, and she been watching what I've been doing. All right, so when y'all go up for the crime bill for Governor Hogan's crime bill, and when y'all go for Delegate Sheila Roof's school to prison pipeline, this is my testimony. That's Mayor Brandon Scott. Shorty, pull your mask up. No, we're getting ready on Mass Baltimore. Delegate Sheila Roof is my witness. Justin Fenton, Tim Tootin, yeah, Mark Marion, Jane Miller, Barry Sims. Yeah, we're going to talk about the FCC violations and how y'all been protecting the Democratic Party. That's Governor Hogan. Governor Hogan can go to jail the same way that Blagojevich went to jail, because Governor Hogan been making a lot of money off of black bodies. He got a crime bill that he's trying to get passed, just like Ronald Reagan. He's trying to reinvent Reaganomics here, and that ain't going to fly. All right, that ain't going to fly. I'm filing a complaint. This is my video complaint through social media for the state prosecutor. All right, that's Eric Barron, whistleblower submission, exposing Scott Shellenberger. The same way that you're going after Marilyn Mosby, you got to go after Shellenberger. And these are your public officials. Sarah Marquette, Edward Snowden. All right, you see when they got this? December 2021. Y'all been sitting on this, but you wanted to sit here and go after Mosby. That's Tony Bridges. That's Fair Practices. All right, that's City Council President. See that? That's Doug Colbert. University of Maryland Law Education. All right. You see who this is? Brian Vaith. These are my witnesses, and I want everything out here for the public to be seen. All right, dear Attorney General Eric Barron. All right, this letter was mailed. Sarah Marquette of the Department of Justice knowingly destroyed evidence in my whistleblower's application in 2015. That's the case right there. Davis versus Maryland. I mean, Davis versus Illinois versus Davis. This is all legal mail, and your people got this. You feel me? All this is legal mail, and y'all got this. Respectfully submitted, Shorty. February the 2nd, 2011, I blew the whistle at 8:53 a.m. at 8:53 a.m. That's the state attorney's office on February the 2nd. Peter Francott know all about this. I need an audit because the state participated in fraud. Y'all accept forged checks. Y'all spent money. And you've been knowing about this since 2008. You can't run for governor and permit this. You, Governor Hogan, y'all make a lot of money off of the prison industry. The comptroller. See this? $250 million. 6 years of films, books, and all that. It's about the prison industry. 13 movies, 13 books. All right, because y'all got 13 ghosts. And this is Baltimore County Complaint Claims Management Unit. All right, y'all got that. 2007. All right, I was arrested. All photos can be obtained from the Baltimore County Police Department. All diagrams, all that. All right, y'all got all that. Bomb threat forces evacuation in Baltimore in the county building. That's me right there. All right, States Attorney in Lake County, States Attorney in Baltimore County, and States Attorney in Baltimore City. Y'all participated in this fraud. Shorty, pull your mask up? No, we getting ready to unmask Baltimore for what Baltimore really is. That's the case for the state prosecutor. That's the case. If you're going after Marilyn Mosby, you got to go after this case too for Scott Shellenberger. That's what? Tampering with evidence, destroying evidence, filing perjury, the subordination of perjury, knowingly filing false evidence with the grand jury. That's the case right there. Commode motion. That's State's Attorney's Office, Marilyn Mosby. All right. District Court of Maryland. That's Scott Shellenberger. That's page 1. That's page 2 of 3. That's page 3 of 3. And that's page 4 of 4. All information needed for this case. All right. It was in your folders. So, Shorty, pull your mask up? No, we getting ready to unmask Baltimore. We're going to unmask Baltimore in such a way. Everything that you've been doing is in the book. All right? Everything that you've been doing is in the book. And it's a movie release. Movie releases. Because I was making a movie about y'all. Shorty documentary. YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter. That's the Supreme Court. Shorty documentary. That's Jake Davis. Jake Davis, James Hammond, Brother Insurance, Bank of America. Shorty documentary. Those signatures match those forward checks. Shorty documentary. Hazel Norman. Shorty documentary. Making a movie about your prison industry and the money you make off the prison industry. N62528. Right here. Release all material to the voters. That's parole and probation. That's Governor O'Malley. That's Roland Martin from TV One, Radio One. Kathleen Hughes, Eugene Johnson, Jason Rodriguez. Y'all been shielding this too. Racism don't work without black cooperation. And we talking about a community in crisis. All right. That's from 2008. That's ABC, Baltimore. Yeah. See who got it? I'm getting ready to cook y'all up. Because you knowingly lied to the public. I'm not a terrorist. I'm an activist. So go to the state prosecutor's office and get those emails. Social media for social change. Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. Don't get no sweeter. Instagram, AOL, and Gmail. Somebody going to jail. If y'all going to put Mosby over the coals, you got to do the same thing to Scott Shellenberger. Everything that Scott Shellenberger touched since 2006 going to get reversed and remanded. Everything that Judge Souter got. Everything that Judge Papaya got. Because we're going after the courts. You going after Mosby? I want all 52 of y'all. You go to Delegate Stephanie Smith, she got this. Jazzy Lewis got this. It's called checks and balances. No part of the government is stronger than the other. Judicial, executive, and legislative branches of our government. So Delegate Smith, Delegate Clippinger, I need access to the grand jury under Senate Bill 374. Marcella Holloman versus Marilyn Mosby. And then we're going to go to the state prosecutor and the Board of Elections. Because Peter Francott, Brian Frost, Doug Gansler, Brown, y'all going to get taken off the ballot. We're talking about voter suppression by the Democratic Party. I'm a black Republican. I'm a black radical Republican. I'm a free man. I own shorties. Don't nobody own me. Don't nobody own me. You can't tell me what to do. You can ask me what to do. But at the end of the day, as a citizen of these United States, you got to protect my right to property. At the conclusion of a trial, I'm supposed to be compensated freely, duly, and at the full expense of our government. I had 13 movies. Each one of those movies was worth $10 million a pop. That's $130 million. I was making $260,000 a year. You got to pay me $260,000 a year since 2008. Peter Frankott, I need an audit. Federal and state audit. Governor Hogan, you made $500 million a year off of prison industry. You trying to reinvent Ronald Reagan and Reaganomics. So your 2022 crime bill? No. You're going to be running from a federal investigation. Robert Hur worked for you. Robert Hur had evidence. Sarah Marquette destroyed evidence. Robert Hur, Sarah Marquette, Rod Rosenstein, Alan Locks. Yeah. Patrick Fitzgerald. Y'all better get my paperwork. Because I'm not leaving without my money. I'm getting ready to retire. I'm a whistleblower. I'm entitled to a percentage of the money that I recoup. So Peter Frankott, Brian Frost, Governor Hogan, Eric Barron, Department of Justice, FBI, get my paperwork together. Because like I said, you don't do it, we going to the Supreme Court. And in the meantime, in between time, I'm selling this shit to Netflix, Hulu. Yeah, Netflix, Hulu, HBO, whoever want to buy it. Like the Khalif Browder story, except I'm still alive. I'm not Emmett Till. I don't stutter when I talk. I was born 12/26/1959. I've been on this earth a long time. 62 whole years. Mic check.